Hey guys, my name is Terrell Boyer with RG Nets, and today I want to talk to you about a new feature that's going to be rolled out in any version newer than 14.334. And this feature is called sub-accounts. And the way the sub-accounts work is they are child accounts of a primary account. And these child accounts can be created either through the admin UI or through the end user portal. And I'm going to show you both of those today. And the way a child account works is it basically has the same enforcements and uses the same available resources as the primary account. As you can see here on the screen, I have a tBoyer account, tBoyer1 and tBoyer2. And tBoyer was originally provisioned with 50 gigs of data, down and 25 gigs up. And as anybody in any of these three accounts uses data, they're working from the same quota for all three accounts, or all child accounts and the primary account would be using the same pool of data. Same would happen if it was a time plan as well. So if you had purchased 4 hours and had sub-accounts and a primary account, then every account would be drawing down on that 4 hours. If it was a standard account and they had unlimited data, then basically the account would have the same enforcements and the same level of access as the primary account. Now these accounts are enabled in one of two ways. Either one, you apply a usage plan. So let's look at the plans. That has an add-on for sub-accounts. And so this isn't included in the regular plan, but if you want to add this as an add-on, then you can basically create a plan add-on, call it sub-accounts. You can put a description here as to what this feature enables. And then the component will be sub-accounts. And then down here, you can either do like a fixed quantity and allow everybody to have, 5 sub-accounts, or you can let them select how many sub-accounts that they want, and then maybe do something like charge $5 per account per month for every sub-account. There is also the option here to do a fixed price. So if you wanted to do, like for example, I'm allowing you to select between 1 and 10 accounts here, but you could do something else like do a fixed quantity of 5, delete these out, and then for $20 per month, you get 5 sub-accounts. So you could do that as a plan add-on. So there's both ways that can be configured. And so once this plan add-on is added to the primary account, then what you will see there, let's go over to a primary account. Is you'll see this field get populated, max sub-accounts, and it'll have the number of accounts that they selected. Otherwise, you can just go into the account and manually edit this field and add any number of sub-accounts that you want to create there, or do unlimited for unlimited accounts. And so once I've done that, then that will enable a scaffold here, or a button here called sub-accounts. And so I can, from the admin UI, click on sub-accounts, and it'll show me all the ones that are currently associated to my account, but I can also create a new one here. And so this could be tBoyer3. Oops, if I could type. And do a password. This password will be unique to that sub-account. And then I'll do Boyer3 and do an email address. Okay. And then the only other thing that you really need to configure on this screen is going to be the pre-shared key. So my super secret key 123 exclamation. Okay. And so now this DPSK password would be unique to my account as well. And we'll go ahead and hit create. Okay, so now I have another sub-account tBoyer3. And then all of these, you see how it automatically inherited the quota from the primary account. So all of these are going to draw down on the same resources available to the primary account. The other thing I want to point out here is that you'll notice that each account gets their own VLAN. So just keep that in mind as you're creating sub-accounts, that it does give them their own unique VLAN for each account that is created. And so the other method of adding sub-accounts is actually the end user can add sub-accounts through the portal. So when you log into the portal, and only the primary account can do this, by the way. So when you log into the portal, you land on a dashboard that probably looks something similar to this. And we can just click on Profile here. And then we scroll down and there's Manage Sub-Accounts. And so I can create a sub-account here. It's going to ask me for first name, last name, email address. Or I can administer the existing account. So maybe if I want to delete, so that deleted the tboyer3 account. So you can delete those as well. So that is how you can do it as an end user experience. If you need more information, you can click on the help link for accounts and then click here, go to the full manual page, and then just click on the link here for sub accounts. And then down at the bottom, you'll find a detailed explanation as to how to add sub accounts and from the end user portal as well as the admin portal, and how to enable that capability. All right, guys, well, that is it for the sub account functionality. This is a new feature coming out in the next general available version. So just look for that in any version after 14.334. Have a good one, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.